Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-35D, the boiler safety valve adjuster plate for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's open up the file, home, variants, part MMGS. Alright, we're going to go top view, sketch, start with a circle. That's going to be 12 mil, which is going to have a thread on it, but 12 mil to start with. 12. And that's going to be a thickness of 5 mil. Before we do, I'm going to put a hole in the middle first. Actually, we do the whole thing in one go, actually. Circle, not smart dimension, sorry. So that's going to be 5 mil. 5 mil. And then we're going to have 4 holes. So it's going to be... that one there. Come on. Set a line from there to there. Yep. Then we're going to have, it's going to be smart dimension. It's going to be 8.5 divided by 2. There we go. And then we're going to go to the hole wizard. It was, you used the hole wizard. Oh, hole wizard. Oh, yeah, well, I'm not going to use hole wizard. I'm going to go out, so. Okay, let me just put one there, and one there. Delete that one. Put that one parallel. I'm sorry, vertical. That one horizontal. And 4.25. Missed. Oh, damn, smart dimension. Clicked. 4.25. 4.25. And 4.25. There we go. Put 4 circles in. Yeah, hole wizard is not done in the sketch thing. Forgot about that. Still could have done that way. That's fine. The hole is 2. 2. There we go. So what I'm going to do is just click that one, that one, that one, and that one. Just make it equal. There we go. Done. Put that one over there. Just make it a bit tidier. Actually put that one there. Make it a bit tidier, and bring that one down. Just make it a bit tidier. There we go. That's it for there. Yes, it is. So now it's feature, extrude, and I said, what's that? 5 mil. Doesn't matter mid plane, doesn't matter on this one, so that is pretty much that done. Nope, we've got thread there. Thread, and that's 12. Where are we? There we go. Scroll way up. 12 by 1.5, there we go. Now we want to there. Thank you. Next one. To there. Trim and trim. And done. Ooh, that's not good, actually. It threads into the hole. That's not good. What if we change that to 1.25? Does that make any difference? That does make a bit of difference. Okay, we'll leave that for now. I don't know what those holes are for yet. We'll leave that for now, but we've got to change that thread to in the other one. So let me save that. Was it this one? Nope, not that one. This one? Nope. Bring that one down. That'd be the last one, wouldn't it? Yep. And that's these threads, which is that. Nope, not that's the inside one. That's the outside one. I mean, that one there, which is going to be 12.125 done. There's a slight difference. That one there. Edit. Where did he? 12. Oh, that's not 12. That's 125 and done. So I just want to change them now before I forget. Like, well, it does work. It does make a difference in technical drawing, but disassembly wouldn't make a difference. But technical drawings, it would make a difference. If you weren't doing technical drawings at the end there, you put it together, it's no big deal on that. So, but you got to think about what's at the end there. Alright, that's part 3-35D, the boiler safety valve adjustment plate done. Enjoyed the episode? Click the like button. You want to see more? Subscribe, leave comments. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.